Ty the Real Estate Guy, your friendly neighborhood real estate agent and new home construction specialist. Today, I'm continuing my tour of model homes to show you the different styles of homes being built, the new home construction trends, and the newest upgrades and features builders are putting into their homes. If you like home tours or you're curious about new home construction, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell to be notified each time I post new videos. This home comes standard with approximately 3,000 finished square feet and about 4,100 total square feet with an unfinished basement. That being said, many builders will finish the basement to show you the full potential of their homes. This home comes standard with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Before we step inside, let's talk about the elevation or the exterior look. This is a modern style elevation. Let me give you a better look. Most home builders offer multiple elevations, so if you fall in love with a specific floor plan, but you don't like how the home looks, don't worry about it. Most builders will give you 3 to 4 unique exterior options so you can customize the home to your personal taste, but also to keep the homes in the neighborhood looking different from one another. Okay, let's go take a look inside. Out of here. The home build process can be confusing and it's often overwhelming. So for those of you that have questions about building a home or you'd like to understand the home build process better, I have loads of videos to help you out. I'll put links to some of the most popular videos below, or you can just check out my YouTube channel. For more great new home construction videos and home tours, hit the subscribe button below. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Ty the Real Estate Guy. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have questions or comments, please type your remarks below. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below to be notified each time I post new videos.